How to fix the McDonald's app not working in iPhone or Android. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be troubleshooting the problem with the McDonald's app not working in your Android or iPhone device. So now let's get started. So if your app is not working on your Android or iPhone, you can go ahead and first try updating the app on your mobile device. So for that, you need to open your Play Store if you're using Android and open the Play Store if you're using iPhone. From here, simply search for McDonald's application. And once you find it, tap on it. And if you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest version, which will fix the minor bugs, glitches, and help you with the smooth experience with the application. Now come back and try clearing the app's cache. For that, tap and hold on to this application, tap on the eye icon to go to app info. Scroll down and go to storage and then tap on clear cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And on iPhone, you can go ahead, open your general, then go to iPhone storage and search for McDonald's application and upload the app. Or you can also go ahead and uninstall this application completely from your device. So tap on uninstall and tap on OK to confirm and this will uninstall it completely. Now open your system settings, search for software update, and if you see any update available, go ahead and download and install it on your device. Last but not least, try restarting your entire device, and this often fixes the app problems. Now go ahead and launch the application and see if the problem is resolved. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.